Good morning. The name of my experiment is making a volcano. The aim: can a liquid and a solid turn into a gas? You will need 1/4 cup of vinegar, food coloring, liquid dishwashing soap, a tablespoon of baking soda, plasticine, a plate. My hypothesis is the volcano might erupt or it might not. I might see the stuff I put in coming up, or I might see that the experiment did not work. Step 1. Clear the work surface that you're going to use and place the plate on it. Have your ingredients ready. And make a volcano out of the clay or plasticine and put it on top of the plate. I think that's it. Oh, come on. Step 2. Add the tablespoon of baking soda inside the volcano. Step 3. Put inside the volcano the food coloring. Step 4. Add in the dishwashing soap. Step 5. Put in the vinegar in a cup 1/4 full, and then add it inside the volcano. Observation is that it looked really bubbly and red when it was finished. And I think that the baking soda and the liquid dishwashing soap, the vinegar and the food coloring made it look so explosive.